Tiger Group?
Oh, dun, 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 dun. Rawr!
So, yes, the incident is a bombing incident. This happened at Houching City, no? Specifically at the Mangun Stadium, no? Along Janice Road. But before that, I'll share to you what is the objective of the incident management or incident action plan that we have crafted. So I'll give the floor to our incident commander, with Sir Rafi Enriquez. Sir Raf.
All right, so good afternoon, colleagues and friends. So as the incident commander, I'd like to give our objectives. Number one is to ensure safety of responders and the general public within 8 hours of operational period, and to contain and suppress fire within the first 2 hours. Number three, to ensure harmonious and orderly evacuation of all people within 1 hour, and to provide medical care to all victims within the operational period, and to maximize use of minimal resources within our 8 hours of operational period. With that, I would like to give back to our section chief for more details.
Okay, so with that in mind, an overview of the incident. The incident is a major incident at exactly 2:34 p.m. So it happened at Mangun Stadium of Houching City along Janice Road. So first to arrive on the scene are 2 fire units at exactly 2:34 p.m. So prior to that, the explosion happened. So for that explosion, there are secondary hazards that arise, including with it is the fire, no? So around 150 spectators are within 10 feet of the secondary hazard, which is the fire hazard. Bombing incident. Yes, the type of hazard, and then the hazards involved are fire hazard, secondary explosion. So it's a bombing incident. So there's probably a secondary explosion, and also stampede with a lot of the spectators around. So more or less 3,000, by June. For the access, ingress would be at Eden Highway.
Will be media briefing at 4 o'clock.
Okay, so
We have set up a media center and for our VIP.
So access would be the ingress would be at Eden Highway. So we have established
Showing to us the
Yes.
ingress and egress.
Also on scene, also
So assume that we have established command
also the MMDA
and the area is clear, no, for
coordinated with the
entry. So the egress would be in Dragons Avenue. This is the area because of the downward wind, no, from the impact side going downward. So we have established our facilities here on the northern side. So the ingress would be at the Dragons Avenue, and then the egress would be at Eden Highway. So accessible gyapon siya padung sa hospital, which is the Don Ramon Martin General Hospital. So aside from that, wala na tayo lang facility, no? So that is our access. For the number of casualties, so approximately 150 spectators, no? Near the fire, 10 feet from the fire. So plus organizers na dyan. And emergency services na needed. We needed, based on the assessment, we needed additional EMS support. Okay, so the current EMS support that have arrived are from MMDA, which is 6 MMDA units. With that, there are 24 personnel. Okay, there are 4 personnel
In one vehicle.
in one vehicle. So 4 times 6 is 24. And then the 6 medical vehicle or response vehicle from the MMDA. 4 DOH Hertz. So with them are ambulances, 4 ambulances and 16 personnel. No? Okay, there are 4 personnel to each unit. Okay, back to sa objectives. The objectives was to ensure safety of responders and the general public within 8 hours of operation. So one of the tactical objectives for that is to provide PPE, operational briefing, establish the perimeter if necessary, and the safety to proceed. Being the manager of the incident, so we must provide PPE for our responders, no? So dapat they are well prepared during the operation. Another would be contain and suppress fire within 2 hours. So that is taken care of by our BFT. No, suppress the fire or extinguish the fire within 2 hours. Ensure harmonious and orderly evacuation within 1 hour. So there are a lot of residential or commercial buildings downward of the impact site. So we must clear it and evacuate all people away from the fire, no? The impact site. So evacuation plan, enforce na to siya. We must enforce it. And you may enforce it, no? Provide medical care to victims. So we must triage, treatment, and transfer. So yes, we have later on we have the summary of the patients, no, that have been triaged, treated, and transferred. Operation, maximum use of minimal resources within the 8 hours operation. So considering the limited number of emergency medical logistics, and also from the TNT, no, really enough siya. So we have to make use of what we have. So operation will not exceed 8 hours to avoid exhaustion po sa atuang mga responders. Then needs assessments to be conducted after that to make sure na the necessary resources will be provided. So this would be our organizational structure, no?
Because of course, I would like to request everyone na mundang na sa itong gitrabaho kay it will be unfair to this group man, di ba? We will be having more time than them, so so we can listen to their to their discussion, we can learn from them, and we also are learning from them, and we can also, you know, kanang baka ang atong better ang atong output, then we can